Morning traders, I'm Tom White with your Schwab Network Morning Minute for Thursday, April 3rd. Stocks are selling off today after President Donald Trump unveiled sweeping tariffs of at least 10% and even higher for some countries, raising the risks of a global trade war. The White House unveiled baseline tariff rate of 10% on all countries that goes into effect April 5th. Even bigger duties against countries that levy higher rates on the U.S. will be charged in the coming days, according to the administration. On the risk-off trading, the volatility index, or VIX, is spiking sharply, and treasuries are higher as traders seek safe havens. And Apple shares are dumping about 7% after President Donald Trump announced those new tariffs of between 10 to 49% on imported goods. The majority of Apple's revenue comes from devices manufactured primarily in China and a handful of other Asian countries. And B of A lowered the firm's price target on Apple to $250 a share from $265, but they keep a buy rating on the stock. Given the latest news around tariffs being set at 54% on China, 26% on India, and 46% on Vietnam, all of Apple's products will be subject to tariffs at various rates. And Lululemon shares are leading the losses in the S&P 500 as the tariff announcement is negatively impacting the athleisure stock. Lululemon, whose headquarters are in Vancouver, Canada, produces nearly 90% of its athletic gear in Vietnam, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Bangladesh, according to the securities filings. Be sure to download the Schwab Network app and watch 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.